so we've already heard the violin, and that's the smallest, and that's the highest sounding one. So now, why don't we just do one more from the viola?
Oh, right.
Wow, boys and girls, I can get used to this orchestra business. What was that story? Song.
That song was called Songbird.
Songbird. Oh, I know why. When I was closing my eyes and listening to it, I can imagine a bird flying through the air, like the instrument was telling its own story. What other songs have you got prepared today?
Would you like to hear another member of the string family, maybe?
Well, I think we've got time for maybe one more.
Oh, maybe? Okay.
Well,